here. Welcome back to my channel, Love Lloyd. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam, and also turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when it says upload new video. So lovies, I know y'all clicked this video because y'all got wigs sitting down in the house that's looking real raggedy and looking real rusty and dusty, and y'all trying to figure out how y'all gonna make it look cute again, look brand new again. So I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting any longer. Keep on watching. Okay lovies, so this is what the hair is looking like. A mess, sis. I'm gonna post up a picture of what it looked like when I first got it. It's a frontal, but a lot of the sides has come out, so I'm gonna have to definitely remove some lace from it because no bueno. Let's get into restoring this wig, y'all. Okay, so I'm just rinsing the hair out with some lukewarm water, and I'm making sure that the hair is drenched. Then I'm grabbing my Agadir Argan Daily Moisturizing Shampoo, which is a sulfate-free shampoo. I really enjoy this shampoo because it is moisturizing, like I said. So it leaves the hair smelling. It leaves the hair feeling really soft, and it does actually leave your hair smelling really good, like amazingly good. It smells awesome. So I just use that shampoo twice, and then I rinse the hair out. Here I'm going back in with the second batch of shampoo. As you can see, I'm just scrubbing the hair. I'm treating it like it's actually laundry, which you shouldn't do because you can mess up your lace. But for the sake of this video, I sped it up so it does look like I'm being rough, and I'm really not. So I rinsed out the second coat of shampoo. Now I'm going to use my Aussie Moist conditioner. I really like this one as well because this, when I tell y'all, soon as you put it in your hair, it literally starts detangling. I don't know what the hell is in this. It may be crack, but as soon as you put it in your hair, it literally melts and it starts detangling the hair without you even have to do much. So then after that, I am taking my detangling brush. I forget the name of this brush, but I'm taking my detangling brush and I'm starting from the roots, and then I'm going to work my way from the tips of the hair to the top of the lace. And that is pretty much it. After that, I'm going to wash it out, blow it out, and then move to the next step. Alright, y'all. So I finished washing the wig, and I blew it out as well. This is what it looks like. And let me just put it on really fast. Alright. Goes like that. Let me zoom out. So this is what it's looking like. It actually looks pretty fuller now that it's washed and blown out. It's like 80% dry. Still needs to dry some more. But this is what it's looking like, and Assist is happy. Assist is happy with it. So this is one of the areas that is obviously hairless. So I'm gonna cut that. And my mirror is right here, so I'm going to be looking into the mirror as I cut it. Alright, so it's not the most even or the most perfect, but it's fine because when it's laid, it's gonna be a laid. So this side, I'm not gonna cut too much because obviously it goes like too far back. So I'm just gonna cut it where I know that my edges will stop. It's about to be lit. It's about to be lit. It already looks good. It's not even laid. I'm gonna lay my edges. Okay, so now my edges are laid. This is what it's looking like. So now I have to figure out where I want the part, how I want it to sit. Alright, so I think I found how I want it to be. It's not even down yet and it's already looking good. So I'm taking my Got To Be spray and I'm just gonna spray down those flyaways. Alright, so the top part is very flat. The flyaways are down and now I'm just gonna continue to lay. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm taking my Got To Be glue gel and I'm just placing that like right where I believe that my edges stop and where I want to actually place the lace down. Next, I'm taking the blow dryer and I'm starting off with the cool setting. I like to use the cool setting first because I feel that it allows the glue to dry without me getting hot. And then I go in with the hot setting to dry it even faster. So I just play around with the cool button and the hot setting for a while until it gets tacky, and then I grab my toothbrush as you can see here, and I like to use either the end of the toothbrush or the back of the toothbrush to just place down the lace as hard as possible because I just want the lace to melt into my scalp. And as you can see, it's starting to look pretty good and pretty laid. The edges are definitely laid. My wig is laid. It's already flat, so I don't have to do much to it. So I decided that I am going to be flat ironing the hair. I'm using my John Frieda flat iron on 455 degrees. I'm taking my Frizz Be Gone Super Smooth Anti-Frizz Hair Serum, Giovanni. And I love this serum, y'all, because it literally just allows your fingers to glide through the hair. So this concludes this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, and also turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, I love y'all, and remember to live, love you. Bye, guys.